Good evening, everyone.
What up?
What did we just go do? We went and got some dinner at Dairy Queen, and now we have to go back. We have to go to the grocery store to pick up a few things.
Yes, a few, not
Yes,
much.
this time a few things. We don't need much. We just need to get a few things, like I said. But yeah, today has been a pretty good day. Just a very long day. How was your day, babe?
It's another day. I mean, same thing as every day. Work.
Yep.
Nothing exciting about it, just work. It is.
But in other news, they are going to be redoing the pool area at our apartment. So the pool's going to be closed for like a week. Which is cool that they're redoing it, but it sucks that I won't be able to swim for a whole week.
You've done it before?
Boo. Yeah. It's all good though. I'm good with that. So yeah, on our way to the grocery store. At the store, and to ensure we don't get more than we need this time, we got the little mini basket. What is that? Oh, it's avocado tool. That would be good. Alright guys, so we are home from the store. Everything is put up, and we didn't get more than we wanted to get, so that's a good thing. Whatever, we did spend a little bit because we had to get dog stuff and cat stuff, and they know that Daddy's doing stuff with food. She hasn't been on the vlog in a few days. Hi, kitty. Sadie girl. And then my crazy fur baby, the four-legged doggy. Oh, now they're going to be paying attention to Daddy. Y'all already ate. I don't know what you think y'all are going to get. I am going to do this. I'm going to lighten my hair up for the summertime. Don't worry. It's not going to get this blonde. No. My hair is too dark for that. I don't think it's going to get that light. But we'll see. I wanted a fun, lighten up type thing to do. So yeah, so I'm going to go do right now. Okay, before I do that, they're playing with the dog bag. Get it, Bella. What's in there? What's in it? Kitty's like,
No, come on.
She's forever gonna be traumatized by dog food bags.
You sure you don't want to make it clean?
She says, no, that's yucky dog food. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
Really?
You don't. I didn't hear what you said. So I'm about to clip her hair off.
No, I don't think so.
Yep.
You better stay away from me with those scissors. You're so creepy sometimes. I don't think so. Get away!
Oh, is that good?
No. Get away. Get away!
You jump.
Alright, time to go get that done. So the husband here wants me to do the YouTube magic shake. Here we go. No! Get away. Alright, now I have my fun, lighter summer color. And I love it. It's still a little damp right now, but it'll finish lining up. But yeah, this is it so far. I love it. Hey, babe. Hey, babe. What's up? I love you. It's a PJ close-up. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Gorgeous baby. This guy here is literally blow drying my hair. Help me now. Stop. No! It's dry!
The hurricane.
Stop!
This is tropical storm Bizzle.
No! You're so crazy. Crazy eyes. Crazy eyes. Make some crazy eyes. Crazy eyes. That was like a way close up. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
It is time to
end the vlog.
Yes. We have a long day tomorrow. I'm going into work early so I can get off early because we are going to another fun
Baseball game.
Astros game, and I'm super excited. We're going
Baseball
with,
game, Astro game.
We're going with some awesome friends of ours, and I can't wait.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Yes. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We hit 70.
Hit the subscribe button.
We hit 70 subscribers today. We actually have 71 subscribers now, so we are getting so close to our 100 subscriber goal.
Yeah.
So keep sharing so we can get there.
How many more we need? 29, right?
29 more. Woohoo! We're almost there.
Yep.
So hit that subscribe button and share our story and share our videos, and we will see you
tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. You got to say.
Really?
I'm gonna drop it.